Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix your Instagram 60-second reel problem. So let's dive in. So in the new update, you can actually upload a reel up to 60 seconds long. If that does not work in your case, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead to your settings, and I want to go ahead and find general settings. So you want to go ahead to general settings, and you want to go ahead and click on iPhone storage. Go ahead and click on iPhone storage. And what we're going to do now is scroll down to Instagram. And what you want to do now is offload app. So you click on offload app, and what that does is it is going to clear the cache of the app. If you're using the Android, you also want to go ahead and clear cache. It should have the same effect. Then the next thing you want to do is go ahead to the App Store. Go ahead to the App Store, and what we want to do is update our Instagram to the latest version. So going to search for Instagram, and you can see mine requires an update. So I'm going to update. If yours says open, it means that it is up to the latest version. So after you do that, you can go back to Instagram and try to upload or record your 60-second reel. And that is how you do it, guys. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.